In this next video, we're going to replace the center console hatch cover. It's to, I guess you would call it the glove box that's in the center console. I really wanted to replace that hatch cover for a long time. Got sidetracked with the engine rebuild, yada yada yada. Anyway, if you like the video, smash that like button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos as we post them to YouTube, please click on that notification icon. Thank you and enjoy the video. So I hear some of you say, when are you going to replace that nasty looking hatch? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to do it right now. So I bought this a while ago, and then I had the problem with the motor blowing, a head gasket. So this got put on the back burner just like everything else that's going on in this video today. But look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Got a new cord, a new light, new plastic, new top, and it looks beautiful. So let's get this old one out of here right now. To undo it. Right here, it's I don't know if you can see it on the side. This is also keyed. One side is got this little lip on it and the other side doesn't. This is keyed. This is what I push down on right here to get it out. And then this goes into here because I will take it apart and get it refurbished for the next Vette. Just wrap that just like so. Boom. There we go. There's the old one. Let's get the new one in. Oh, and this thing looks gorgeous. So I'm going to be very careful with this. Getting that in. Goes in like so. And flashlight out of there. Hey, 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 look at that. And this goes down in there. Somehow. And the rest of the wire goes in there. There we go. And close it. Cool. So much better. And the lock actually works. Well, not lock, but the catch switch. All right, so that's done.